small sphere rolling down an inclined plane. The forces acting on the sphere are mg vertically downwards. Anything having mass, the weight will act vertically downwards. Normal reaction perpendicular to the surface and frictional force up the inclined plane. So this body will have a linear acceleration A and an angular acceleration alpha. Mg will have two components, mg sin theta acting down the plane and mg cos theta acting in this direction. The normal force will be equal to mg cos theta. So if you look at the linear motion of the sphere, mg sin theta minus f will be equal to ma. This is our equation 1. If you look at the rotational motion, friction will create a clockwise torque. So torque will be F into R and that will be equal to I alpha. So from here F becomes I alpha by R. I is 2 by 5 mr square. If it is a pure rolling, A will be equal to R alpha. So alpha becomes A upon R. So you get A upon R. 1 R will come from here. So R will cancel out. So you get 2 by 5 ma. So frictional force is 2 by 5 ma. Therefore, we substitute this in equation 1. We get mg sin theta minus the frictional force, which is 2 by 5 ma. That will be equal to mass into acceleration. So therefore, we get 7 by 5 ma equal to mg sin theta. So acceleration becomes 5 by 7 g sin theta. We can get the same equation. We try to get the velocity by conservation of energy and then apply the formula v square equal to u square plus 2as. So acceleration is 5 by 7 g sin theta. Frictional force is 2 by 5 ma. Therefore, the value of acceleration is 5 by 7 g sin theta. So frictional force becomes 2 by 5 m into 5 by 7 g sin theta. Solve this, you get 2 by 7 mg sin theta. This is the frictional force required to maintain pure rolling here. Now this frictional force has to be less than the static friction between this body and this surface. So F has to be less than FLS. The frictional force has to be less than FLS to maintain pure rolling. Frictional force is 2 by 7 mg sin theta and FLS will be mu times mg cos theta. So basically, we solve this, you get mu s must be greater than 2 by 7 tan theta. This is the minimum coefficient of static friction between this body and this surface to maintain pure rolling.